Good afternoon, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're looking at a freshly sodded yard, thank God by a different company, but a freshly sodded yard in some deep shade and what it's doing to that grass in summer. With all the fresh rains we've had over the past couple weeks, how that lawn is looking. Let's take a look. So this is fresh sod installed in a yard in Huntington, and you can see it is wet, it has just recently rained. And really it's struggling with a bunch of different fungal issues. You can see we're directly under an oak tree here. And what we're fighting here is we've got gray leaf spot. We've got more leaf spot over here. We've got different types of fungus coming. And really it's not so much fungus as just, look at this thatch. It's just soaked. I mean, it's rotting the roots away. So you look here, just look how thinning it is. You can see it's not been cut. It's really, really tall, leggy. It's reaching out for sun and it's just not surviving. Now you can see as we get into the sunny area of the lawn, it's actually doing well. The new sod's really thriving. It's not thin, but as soon as you get in the shade, it really starts frying out. And that's what happens when you lay sod in deep shade. It's just going to struggle. So your next question may be, what do you do if you have a shaded area that can't grow grass? Obviously it can't grow sod. What do you do with it? Well, let's go next door and take a look. So here's a great example of what you can do up in deep shade. So this customer planted coonties. There's African iris. They installed a retaining wall. They've done more coonties up there. There's some liriope. And you can see it goes across into the full sun, and that's where they keep their grass, is in the sun. And over here in the shade, they use shade-tolerant landscaping. An extremely cheap way to do some landscaping in the shade is something like this. These are real invasive ferns, and you can plug them, and I mean, they will just thrive and take over. And so you can see these are plugged under this oak tree here, and they will in no time take over that entire bed and make it very low maintenance and very appealing. Thanks again for watching. I'm Rusty with Masters Lawn Care. I hope this has been helpful for you. I definitely don't recommend planting new sod in deep shade. It is a problem waiting to happen, and especially in summer rain season. So thanks for watching. Hope you'll subscribe at the bottom, the link, and have a great day.